Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. This week I wanted to talk about getting to work and staying at work in your online business. Get to work and stay at work. Seems elementary, but it's not. It's a hard thing to do for people to stay focused and execute. And so typically there are always going to be things for you to do that you're going to have to get into a system so that they happen regardless. So you've got to get these things into motion so that they happen in and of themselves, the consistent practices and these things that we are giving you in terms of principles. And so you're going to have to figure out what it takes to get your thing produced and ready for sale. What does that take? Develop a process, get it into your schedule and make sure it happens every single week if you launch weekly, every single month if you launch monthly, whatever it takes. You're going to have to get these things and get into some kind of production so that it happens on a regular basis. Look, anybody can sell stuff and you might feel like, well, man, I haven't really made a lot of sales, but eventually you will make sales. Now here's the question. The question is, can you do it predictably? Can you do it with a system? Because if you can't do it with a system, what's going to happen is you're going to have to create everything from scratch over and over again. This is what wears people out. They put all their energy into making one sale and then they look and they've got to do it all over again to make a second one. Wears them out. And so typically people walk away because they never develop a system and they never figured out how to generate that sale with a system. You need a system that produces within your schedule profitably, right? So you've got to obviously work within your schedule. You can't work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. And so when you do this, you cannot be custom. You've got to be wary of that. And if you're going to be custom, you're going to do everything custom. You're going to do everything new this time that you didn't do last time. You're going to do something new this month that you didn't do last month in order to make sales. What's going to happen is you are not going to develop consistent practices and you will never get to that point where these customers are coming back to you over and over again because of what it is that you're doing and the position and the things that you put in place to bring them there. And if you would like some help getting started, you might want to check out our strategic marketing framework training that my team put together. You can find that at impc.ws/SMF. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insider Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight and have a great night. Take care.